To secure your Venmo transfers, it is essential to understand the basics of the platform and how to protect your account. First, make sure you have a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your information. Next, verify your account by linking it to your bank account, credit card, or debit card. This will help Venmo confirm your identity and ensure that your transactions are legitimate. Be cautious when linking your accounts, and never share your login credentials or financial information with anyone. When making a transfer, always double-check the recipient's username and confirm their identity. You can do this by looking at their profile and checking their profile picture, name, and username. Be wary of scammers who may create fake profiles to trick you into sending them money. Another important step is to monitor your account activity regularly. Check your transaction history and report any suspicious activity to Venmo immediately. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a transaction is made, so you can stay on top of your account activity. In addition, be careful when using public Wi-Fi or public computers to access your Venmo account. These networks and devices may not be secure, and using them could put your account at risk. Instead, use a secure network or a virtual private network to protect your data. Finally, take advantage of Venmo's built-in security features, such as the ability to add a PIN or fingerprint authentication to your account. These features can provide an extra layer of protection and help prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps and being mindful of your account activity, you can help secure your Venmo transfers and protect your financial information. Remember to always be cautious when using online payment platforms and never share your login credentials or financial information with anyone.